The uninvited, trespassers, thieves of energy, vampires of the light, interferers of peace. You cross thresholds every day, disturbing lives you don't even know, contaminating space, raising ghosts out of their peaceless rest. Ghosts it has taken me decades to get to sleep. You enter this house without invitation, for your morbid pleasure, your curiosity, your need to escape in violation, in self-indulgence and entitled delusion. But you never think of the effects, the impact. It is not just dust you stir up here. This house has had too many hard times at its door. Too many residents broken, hearts and minds torn by disease, decay, death, and worse, the dreams that visit after all has passed. The dripping, black memories that come 2 months after the funeral at 3:33 a.m., seeping from the walls into the ether and the very breath of the sleeping. The visions of hospital beds, of the empty chair, the broken bottles, the rotting bouquets, the smell of treatment, the empty stage, the rejection letters, the unsent Mother's Day card. Your need to know, to interfere, overrides any consideration of privacy or respect. So intrude you will. No door or window will give you safe passage from here until you have paid your price. The house of the broken birds has awoken. The residents need a moment to deliberate. You are not alone. You are uninvited. You will meet the broken birds who inhabit this house. Each one has a story to be told. Ignore it at your peril. The room of the plague doctor, fighting the wars for centuries in vain and grief.
Okay.
The haunted cellar, a trapped barman locked in time to madness, his mother, and his morbid mind.
No! Is there somebody there? Oh, please. Please be somebody real. Please. I've been down here so long, I don't know what's real anymore. I was the barman at this godforsaken place. And the last time I saw somebody real was the night of the Halloween party for the bottle makers. This place was packed to the rafters. The whole of Ringsend was here, I'm certain. And it was one of them. I know it was. When I find out who, I'll get my revenge. Frederick! Frederick? Who are you talking to? Shush, mother. Yes, I'll get my... Frederick! Don't speak to your mother like that. Sorry, father. You see, when the party ended, some locals were invited down to this bomb shelter for some lock-in drinks. It went on for quite a while, but I eventually marched them up these steps and out this door, so I could clean up and go home. But as I was cleaning, somebody shut this door and locked it. And I've been down here ever since. You're not alone, Frederick. We're right here with you. Yes, Frederick. Right here with you. Stop it. Stop it. You're not real. You're not real. Let me out. Let me out. For the love of all that's holy, let me out. When I find out who did this, I'll murderize them. I'll strangulize them. Let me out.
Imprisoned in a gilded cage, the divine bird of paradise, who has no one to hear her song, awaiting the chance for the bright lights and the stage butterflies to return.
Oh, girls just wanna have fun. The phone rings in the middle of the night. My father yells, what you gonna do with your life? Oh, daddy dear, you know you're still number one, but girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. That's all they really want. Some fun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the sun. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. That's all they really want. Some fun. When the working day is done, oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. They just wanna, they just wanna, they just just wanna, they 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 just wanna.
Among the accidentally fallen bottles lives the abandoned bride, bloodied and torn in her purgatorial remorse.
10 white virgins dancing at the ball, 10 white virgins waiting for the call. Soon 9 of those virgins had children in their halls. I'm the one white virgin, still waiting by the wall. I came here every time there was a wedding breakfast, back in the old days, simple, early and after the Mass. I'd hear the giggles and the energy building from outside, and then the clatter of feet on the floor as the ICA heads would run to boil the kettles. And the snap of the photographer would get the photo of the cake early. I wanted to be in that photo so badly. I wouldn't have minded who it was. Anyone would do. But the years just went on. The men always left. Letters on the mat if I was lucky. Usually I heard it at the shops. Another one escaped. And I'd still come up to this hall, dream of my dress, my bouquet, my cake, until I started to be told to stay away. Bad luck, they said. That sparrow girl isn't right in the head. I couldn't help when the clouds came in, that mouldy feeling in my head, the voice twittering at me day and night. I hated the hospitals. I didn't mean to hurt her. I only wanted to feel her dress, beautiful white satin. The Garda came to Daddy a few times, told him to sort me out. I was told to stay out of the Bottle Makers Hall. But I came back that night in May, hid in the cellar. I just wanted to see Molly at her wedding breakfast. She was going to be so beautiful. But it wasn't Molly who came. It was her sister. I didn't like her sister, and she didn't like me. I know she took Molly's man. She took so many men. My man. Now there are no breakfasts anymore. No boiling kettles. No confetti. I didn't mean to hurt her. No more cakes. No more bottle brides. It should have been Molly's day, not her wretched sister. They found her in the pantry. Hardly any blood on her dress. I don't remember coming in that day. I get confused. I remember Mrs. Bloomer screaming and the broken cups on the floor. I remember the warm, wet feeling in my tummy and the bouquet. Oh, the bouquet was broken. The cake knife was missing. I remember feeling very tired. It should have been Molly's day. I was told by Daddy never to come in here again. Now I'm not sure how to leave. I was told by Daddy never to come in here again. Now I'm not sure how to leave.
As the veil rises on All Hallows Eve, we remember those who have passed over, but we will one day leave the house of brokenness to join the dancer of the light and to find the breath of dawn and meet once again our friends to embrace, to love, and to live.
Here I am, floating in emerald sea. Keep me dancing, keep me as still as can be. And I try to keep the balance right. And I try, but it feels like wasted time. But these heavy hands, they're pulling me down on my chest, latching on, coloring all of my flesh. Quietly, you hover over me, and I fight, but it feels like wasted time. Feels like wasted time. Say goodnight. I know that I'm swallowed in sea. We collide, colors that devour me. Just say goodnight. I'm already down, and